Nothing sub-brand CMF is set to launch CMF Phone 1 in India and globally on July 8, recently started teasing its upcoming smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds, revealing bits and pieces about their design. This is the first look CMF Phone 1, and it's come with 4 colors. The CMF Phone 1 will feature a dual rear camera setup. The official teaser shared by the brand confirms a Sony 50MP main camera with an f/1.8 lens. It includes a 2x in-sensor zoom and a secondary portrait sensor. The phone is featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a centerline punch hole cutout. It will offer an FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 2000 nits, and HDR10 Plus support. With an in-display fingerprint sensor, the handset powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC paired with up to 8GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM and 28GB storage. But base models sport just 6GB. It includes a microSD card slot for expandable storage. With Android 14 operating system with 3 years of security patches and 2 years of OS upgrades, the phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 33W fast wired charging. The CMF Phone 1 is tipped to be priced at 15,999 rupees for the base 6GB plus 128GB storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.